Hello friends, welcome back to Farm Ideas. In this video, we shall learn how to prepare vermicompost in a fish carton. So we can buy a fish carton like this. At the base of the fish carton, we'll cut out a small hole and put a pipe in it so that the excess water can come out through the pipe. Then we shall put a layer of 1 to 2 inch sand at the bottom of the carton box. This activity was taught to the children of class 9 of agricultural trade. So this is an elective subject in class 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the trade is agriculture. So here the agriculture students were taught to prepare vermicompost in a fish box. So you can see how the students are engaged in these activities. After the layer of sand, as you can see, we are placing some dry cow dung above the sand, and this layer should be also of 1 to 2 inches. So you can see the dry cow dung. Here the dry cow dung is here, as you can see, the cow dung were in lumps. So it would be better if these were grinded into small portions so that it would be easy for the earthworms to transform it into vermicompost. After this layer of cow dung, we are placing dry straws above this layer. After this layer, we will again put a layer of cow dung above this dried straw, and again we will continue these layers in an alternate manner. That is, one layer will be of dry cow dung and the next it will followed by the dried straw. Even we can use kitchen waste also, and then we will place the earthworms at the topmost layer. So as you can see, these are the earthworms that were collected by the students. So this is a earthworm species that is found in the banana, in the soil near the banana tree. So these earthworms are known as farmers' friends because they are good decomposers, and they will transform the food that they would eat, and they will excrete out into good humus that is very fertile for the soil. The In the soil where we can find these earthworms, we can say that that soil is very fertile. Now we'll use these earthworms to prepare the vermicompost. Scientifically, the earthworm species that are used for preparation of vermicompost are Eisenia foetida and Ailanthus eugenie. But as we know that these earthworms are very costly. The price of one earthworms of Eisenia foetida is almost rupees 2 to 3 rupees. So it's better if we can use the naturally occurring earthworms that are present in the banana plant, so in the soil near banana plant. So here the students have collected and brought these earthworms from their home, and now we'll be using these earthworms to prepare this vermicompost. Now we'll be placing these earthworms above in the topmost layer. These earthworms mostly prefer a dark environment to do their activities, and hence we will be covering their fish box with a wet gunny bag, and also they like damp conditions, and hence we will try to provide them their ideal conditions by watering the straws so that they get a damp condition, and also will be covering the fish box with a gunny bag so that they get dark environment to do their activities. And also after a period of 7 days, we'll be stirring the whole contents of the feed inside the fish box so that it get mixed. And after that, again after interval of 7 days, we'll stir it, and after that we can also water it whenever we find that it is necessary to water, because they need a ideal damp condition to do their activities. So after a period of 30 days, that is 1 month, we can see that we will be seeing that almost it has been converted to vermicompost. So then we can collect this vermicompost, and then we can packet it, and then we can go for marketing.